we'll guide you through how to use Dropbox Business. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox Business website. Log in with your credentials. Once you're inside, you'll find the dashboard, which is your central hub for managing files and team members. To add team members, click on the Admin console, located in the left sidebar. Here, you can invite team members by entering their email addresses and assigning them roles such as editor or viewer based on their responsibilities. After inviting members, you can organize files into folders for better management. Simply click Create New Folder in the Files section, name your folder, and drag and drop files into it. To share a folder with your team, right-click on the folder, select Share, and enter the email addresses of the members you want to collaborate with. You can set permissions to either Can Edit or Can View based on what you want them to do. If you need to track the activity, go back to the Admin console and click on Activity. This section will show you who has accessed or modified files, ensuring you have a clear overview of what's happening in your workspace. For enhanced security, you can enable two-step verification under the Security tab in the settings. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a code sent to your phone in addition to your password. Dropbox Business also allows integration with various productivity tools like Slack and Zoom, which you can set up under the App Integrations section. This makes it easy to streamline your workflow and improve collaboration. Remember, you can customize your storage settings and monitor usage under the Billing section to ensure you're optimizing costs. With these steps, you'll have a smooth and efficient experience managing your team and files on Dropbox Business. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.